So pronation, right here, pronation. So patient had previous surgery, but it wasn't locked in. So previous surgery, we're gonna go back in there and clean that up for her. But basically, she's not locked. She's still pronating, as you can see. So we're gonna stop that pronation today and go ahead and refix that area for her. So here we go. We are status post procedure right now. Before loosey goosey, it was pronating. You see now no pronation. We have the Evans graft in there. I'm pushing pretty hard on the fifth metatarsal base. I'm loading the foot. The ankle is nice and straight. It's not going anywhere. It has a little bit more give. It pronates slightly, just to normal, and the flexor tendon transfer was done. So you see it's nice and stiff. It's locked and loaded, ready to go. Good job.